Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. I will give you 3 scenarios in this video. And believe me, in each scenario your spending habit will be different. It is called mental accounting. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora. In this video we will be talking about how you spend money if it comes from the different area. So without any further ado, let's get started. So watch this video till the end because it is going to be really interesting video. The first scenario is salary. Let's say you earn 1 lakh rupee per month in a salary and you wish to spend, you wish to buy a smartphone worth 40,000 rupees. Now while buying a smartphone, you consider that 40,000 is 40% of your income. So while buying a smartphone or anything worth more than nearly more than 10,000 rupees, you will consider that it is a big amount with respect to my income. Let's say if 40,000 means it is a 40% of your income, so you will spend that particular money very carefully because it comes from your hard work. You go to office on a regular basis, you work there, you spend a lot of time, so you are investing a lot of time and energy. That is why you spend that particular money really carefully. So now let's understand the second scenario. In the second scenario, let's say you are getting a tax refund worth 1 lakh rupee. This time your spending habit will be different from the time when you are earning from salary, because when you are getting tax refund, you will consider it as a bonus. So you don't think more, you don't care more before buying a smartphone worth 40,000 rupees. Why? Because it is already a bonus, and you will not think twice before buying a smartphone worth 40,000 rupees. So the first scenario we saw is the salary and the second we saw is tax refund. So there is a drastic change you can see on the spending habit on consumers. It applies to everyone, and this is how mental accounting works. If we consider third scenario, which you will definitely love to hear, the third scenario is about lottery. Let's say you are winning a lottery worth 1 lakh rupee and you wish to buy a smartphone worth 30 to 40,000 rupees. You will not think for even 1 minute, and you will go to the store or go for online website and purchase a smartphone worth 30 to 40,000 rupees. Or there are maybe chances that you go for you double your budget in smartphone and spend 60,000 rupees in your smartphone. There are chances because the money comes from lottery. You haven't worked for it, and that is why you probably end up paying a lot more money than you have than you expected. So this is how mental accounting works. We saw a 3 scenario where the first one was salary, the second one was tax refund, and the third was lottery. If we compare second and third scenario, which was tax refund and lottery, there is also a drastic change, because in tax refund you still care a little bit while spending money. When it comes to, on the other hand, if we talk about lottery, you don't care about your money much and you end up paying even more than you have ever expected. As I told earlier, that if your budget towards smartphone is 30,000 rupees but you have won lottery worth 1 lakh rupee, then you will end up paying up to 60 to 70 lakh for smartphone, and you don't care because you haven't worked for it. So this is the simple thing we need to learn, that whether the money comes easily or you have worked hard, your mental stability should be same. You should be always careful while spending your money, whether it is your salary, tax refund, or lottery. In each scenario you should control your emotion and spend your money wisely. I would love to know what are your thoughts on these 3 scenarios and how would you prefer to spend your money. Please comment below. I would love to read your comments. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video. I hope this video was interesting to you and you learned a lot. You learned something interesting from this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.